Hi planner babes, welcome to my channel. My name's Alex and today I wanted to do some washi swatches. I bought these on Amazon. I'll link them in the description. They're all black and white, so I'm really excited because there's a little bit of everything, and I've been seeing a lot of people use polka dots and grid washi lately, so I wanted to do some swatches on paper to put into my planner and use like as a reference. So I'm going to start with maybe like some decorative ones. This is like a tulip pattern. So it looks like this. It's really pretty, especially right now for spring. I love this one. This is a rainbow pattern. If you can hear my tummy, I'm hungry. And this one here comes with little black hearts. And I think this one's going to pair, well, I'd like to pair it with like a Mickey and Minnie spread. And then this is a polka dot one. That's really, really cute. This is like a Dalmatian print. And you get two of these. I can't really distinguish if there's a difference. This is the first one. And then there's this one, which to me looks the same. But maybe, I don't know, maybe the print is a little different and I'm just not seeing it. No, I think it's the same. You just get two of these. And then this one might be one of my favorites. It looks like paint strokes or like little brush strokes. Looks like this. I think that's really, really pretty to do like layering effects. You get this diagonal striped, and the black stripes are, oh, this is really stuck, larger than the white stripes. And then you get this one here. This one's like more symmetrical with the lines. This is really fun too. A striped black and white washi. And this one, I was thinking of maybe even like cutting it down to where it's 3 stripes or making it thinner. And then these are the grid washi. So lately I've seen a lot of people using these, and I think it gives like every spread like a more like sophisticated look. Oh no. If your washi ever dries out, in art class we used to just stick it in the microwave for a quick second, and it'll kind of melt like the glue. Don't put it in there too long, but it's a good trick. So those are the washis that come in the pack. It's 12 washis, and I believe they were under $12. So it's about $1 per washi strip. And I think this pairs well with all the colorful spreads that I make. So I'm in love with all of these washis. I can't wait to put them into my spread. You're going to be seeing a lot of these washis in my future spread. So if you like videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's free. I just started on YouTube, so let me know if you want to see other videos from me. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.